Now, in the new usage of PowerPivot, right, then these are all not needed, right? So we're going to delete this. These are also not needed. Now we have this data, right, and the VLOOKUP. Now we don't need this, right? Excel team has discovered that uh, this is taking way too much to our time, and most important is that this data consists of 60 over 1,000 data, right? So they need a much more efficient way. So um, in this current files, we have a product sales, and we're going to combine these product sales and the product master table into in a single Excel file, right? So which means like this. So you just copy it and into a new file. Okay. Then next, what you do is that you go to Power Pivot Tables, tab, and choose Create Link Table. Now this is for the Excel's 2010 version. If it's Excel 2013 or 15, right, it changed the name to Add to Data Model. Add to Data Model. The button name is called Add to Data Model, but it's the same button. So just create that. Okay. So you can see that it's creating the link table. So just a moment, because it's 60,000. So once you've done this, right, you can do the same for another. This is product master. We just click create link table. So I guess they are still working on it. So we got this table, right, and we can change it. Double click it and change the name to say hey, this is sales. Yeah. Okay, just double click, just like changing your normal worksheet. And we shall go back to, oh, this is just demonstration. Let's close this. Now this is product master. Again, go to product power pivot tab and choose create link table. And they are creating the link table again. So notice that this is 300 rows data, right? 300 rows of data, 309, close to 400. So it take much less time. And this will change it to products. Okay. Next, we're going to you see the relation deductions. So this is pretty useful, right? So it has detect it. But let's just see what happened if we just put it to number two, right? For the purpose of so that this columns labels, right, does not same as this product key. So it does not same. See, that's the same, right? So if that's the case, right, see whether is that this can there still be able to find out the data. Now next, um, yep, you can see that there's updating a table. Okay, so to reflect the change. Okay, so let's go to the pivot table. Oops, uh, pivot table and pivot table and new worksheet. Okay, so let's see. Well, actually, it's the link. Now let's just take a look at this. Um, Again, the sales amount. Now notice that I did not create a VLOOKUP. Now, So we have the product English product name then. Yep. So it asks whether these two has a relationship, right? So seems that it's us able to contact that. So it's creating a relationship between this table and that table. It's just like a VLOOKUP, but we don't need to write that VLOOKUP function anymore. They can see that, and the next is that we're going to look for the product category name, and we change this. Okay, so this is how simple that we create a Power Pivot. So the area is a step-by-step things right now. Let me show you much more fast. I mean, in the normal way, right? That this would be as simple as fast as this, right? So once we created this Power Pivot window, right? So go to Power Pivot new sheet. Uh, just check on these two drag it this day, right? And we're gonna look for the sales on another table. Sales about. There you are. So there you have the data, right? So this is one way to converting the normal Excel table into Power Pivot table. There is another way still, that is to directly connect it to the database. I'll show you this in our classes. Thank you very much. I'll be learn something.